Ladies and gentlemen, and video and audio designers, we're going to add a sound effect to our project. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the, whatever it's called, the student checkout area. You're going to get one of these microphones and you're going to plug it into the little microphone area that is near the microphone spot. Okay. Then you're going to, on the desktop, you're going to find a program called Audacity. And it should open up looking like this, and you're going to go track, add new mono track. Okay. And then you're going to grab your microphone and you're going to think about like what effect you want is anywhere in your slideshow. So I'm going to make a little effect that I'm going to put between slides, something really classy, like a ding or a or something like that. All right. And so I'm going to hit record and I'm going to make my sound. Okay, and so let's play it and see how it sounds. My sound. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. So delete a little bit more. I'm going to select it and delete. I'm going to click and drag to select and delete. Okay, and then we're going to add an effect. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to go effect, and there's all kinds of effects you can do. I'm going to try wah wah and hit apply, and let's see what that does. Okay, so that was fine, and so I wasn't expecting that for some reason. I'm gonna go effect, and you could do, there's all kinds that you could do. I'm gonna go change pitch, and I'm gonna change it from an E to a C sharp, and then I'm gonna try it again and see how that sounds. Perfect, that's exactly what I want. So now I'm gonna save the project. So I'm gonna go File, Save the Project. Save the project, save the project. You can click OK. And I'm going to save it in my folder. So I'm going to go into my video slideshow and then my audio assets. And then I'm going to call it this, I'm going to call this okay. And I'm going to hit save. Now this is an Audacity project and I can't use that in my video, in my DaVinci Resolve video project. So, but I can open it back up and edit it if I needed to. But so I'm going to export it as an MP3. That's what I will be able to use, and I'm going to save it in the same spot. Hit save, hit OK. I don't need to fill any of this thing out unless you want to. Then I'm going to minimize Audacity, and I'm going to minimize this other thing I had, and then I'm going to come to my DaVinci Resolve. And then I'm going to open up the folder, and then I'm going to hit refresh so everything shows. There it goes. And so there's my MP3. So I'm going to drag my MP3 in, and then I'll minimize this. And so now I'm going to drag this between whatever slides I'm interested in. So I'm going to, oh no, I wanted to drag it between. Like there. Okay. So now I'm going to hit play and see how it goes. Okay, so I have a nice little classy sound effect between. So if I wanted to, I could put those between every slide. And you can do it however you want. You can do a sound effect however you want, okay? And so that is it for the sound effect for now. So we're going to go File, and we're going to go to Export Project. And I'm going to say this is going to be version 5. I'm going to make a new version. Because it's sometimes nice to have backups in case something bad happens. And I'm going to hit save, and that is it for the sound effect.